everyone, this is me Sadia here, and I'm doing your third week of December reading, start from the 15th through the 21st of December 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Aquarius. Let's see what is coming up for you guys for this week time starting tomorrow. I've already pulled out the cards. These are the oracle cards, and this is the tarot. So we're gonna start with the tarot first, but before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's dive into the reading. Let's find out what is heading towards you guys for this week time starting tomorrow. Let's begin. The Moon, Nine of Swords, Ace of Swords. You're overthinking. There are certain things that you are unaware of. There's no point thinking about the things that you are unaware of. It's no matter how hard you think, no matter how much time you invest, thinking about a situation, person, relationship, you have no clarity. Neither it's going to come until and unless you reach towards the end of the week. So there are certain things which are not known to you right now. There are certain things hidden right now which will be revealed to you as you move towards the end of the week and walk into the next week. So for some of you, you are concerned about and maybe lack of clarity is what is a thing which is keeping you awake at night. Lack of clarity, lack of decision making, lack of knowing is definitely disturbing you a lot in this week time. But I feel like you can always switch your mind to something else. But I don't see you doing that. I do see you very much focused on this one thing and getting obsessed with it plus getting nothing out of it. The more you're gonna think of it, the more you're gonna feel stuck, stagnant, and lack of it. Hold on. So yeah, you might see me pausing the video again and again because I have sore throat plus maybe I would be needing to sip water from time to time. So yeah, just be mindful of that. But yeah, so for some of you, you might be indulging into alcohol or something around those lines. Don't do that because it's not gonna help you anyways. So wait for the right time, and the right time I believe will come around the next week time for majority of you. Let's take clarifiers now. Hold on. So yeah, let's take some clarifiers now. If you are trying to make a decision around a person, relationship, I would definitely suggest you not to make any decision right now. Let the clarity come. Let the communication come. For some of you, you might be upset with because maybe you are not having a communication with the specific someone. You are thinking about that person. You are maybe waiting for that person to reach out to you, and they are not doing so. If that's the case, I would definitely recommend you to wait on for that person to reach out and share things out with you. Whatever it was, why were they not reaching out to you? Why were they not communicating with you? Let them talk about it themselves. Don't try to um, reach out to them, especially when they are not reaching out to you, or when they are not replying you back, when they are not calling you up. Just wait for some sort of clarity to come. Because I feel like, even if you try again and again, this person is not going to open up until and unless the time is right. So I don't see that the first half of the week is going to help you anyways in this situation. You have to wait. But I do see you getting what you want with this person. Yep. You will get what you want. You don't have to get disappointed for no reason. Just wait. Wait for the clarity to come, because if you continue doing what you are doing, thinking, overthinking, making up stories in your mind about this person's situation, it's just gonna make you feel like, okay, fine, I'm done with you. You're gonna take any wrong decision being in this situation. But if you allow the clarity to come and stay stable, till you have the clarity, because it's more like, overthinking is going to take you towards a drastic decision. So if you make that drastic decision, it's just gonna make you feel bad later on. You're gonna feel like left alone. It's just gonna add a stress to your life. And if you wait for the clarity to come and then make a decision, it's just gonna take you towards what you want. If you take a decision, it's just gonna block you. If you wait for the clarity to come and then make a decision, you get what you want. So just wait. Don't overthink. Don't overindulge into overthinking, and let the clarity come. Whatever it is that you're waiting for, let the clarity comes, and you will get what you want. If you take any decision, I would recommend you not to take any decision. Not at all. Not at all. Not at all. Because it's like, if you take a decision, 5 of cups is what you're getting. If you wait for clarity, 10 of cups. If you take a decision right now, 5 of pentacles, feeling left alone is all you get. If you take a decision after clarity, 10 of pentacles is what you are getting. So just wait. You have created the world around you, and only you can change it. Without a reason, nothing happens. Whatever is happening, allow it to happen, because there must be a reason that you are unaware of. Keep your surroundings clean. Make meditating a part of your life for this week time. It's going to bring you good luck. Higher energies from the cosmic consciousness have helped in creating this beautiful and illuminated divine mandala. You will have faith and confidence in yourself very soon. No matter what happens, don't give up hope. Stay hopeful, stay positive, don't overthink, don't start telling yourself made up stories of your own inner chatter of the mind. Trust your instincts before taking any decisions. It's time to pray and believe in the higher energies. You can pray, relax, and just do that. Nothing more than that. If you want to do something more than that, then get yourself busy doing something else. Organize your priorities at home and at workplace. Take responsibility for everything in your life. Live up to the promises you have made and do your best in every situation. It is then that the best will come to you. So that's the message. Let's see which 2 colors are going to be lucky for you in this time. Pearl, connect to divine, number 25. Coral, allow flow and synchronicity in your life, number 18. So it's time for you to connect to your God, pray, affirm, and let the clarity comes to you. Simple acts of kindness. Kindness energizes you and bring happiness to those around you. You can also give some charity donations. That too is going to help you ease the stress that you are building upon something and around you for sure. So just get rid of that tension, anxiety, depression. Just get rid of this energy around you. Animal guardian, trust your instincts. It's time for you to trust your instinct, but don't confuse yourself with instinct and your mind chatter. Trader, exchange energy to create abundance. If you do some acts of kindness, it's definitely going to trade in good energies for yourself as well. So just do that. Brilliant idea. Yes, your idea is divinely guided. Please take action to bring your idea to fruition. If you if you are out of communication with a specific someone, you might attract some good idea to reach out to this person, to communicate with this person. If that happens, communicate to this person then only. If you have an inspired action idea to take action towards, go for that. If not, then this is a message that you really have to I feel like it's going to be the message for the cross watcher then, where they will have to make a hold on, where they will have to take action towards you. Let's see more cards. Show the world the real you, the Aquarius full moon. For some of you, that time frame is going to be very significant for you in regards to this connection and communication. Have faith in your dreams. Hold on. It's very important to have faith in your dreams. Again, don't make any drastic decision right now. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this week time. If the reading resonates with you, do like, share, and subscribe. And till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye-bye.